Procreate recently dropped a massive update. They gave us a new library with 182 new brushes. I've swatched every single one. Today I'm going to show you my top 5 favorites from that library. But since I love creating infinite zooms, we're also going to zoom in super close. Like, we're going to look at some pixels close. Because we can. So let's check out some brushes. The first brush that I was drawn to, pun intended, is in the pen set. It's called Minka, I think like the Minka whale. Anyways, it's ridiculously fun to use. It creates these random organic edges that give your work texture. It kind of reminds me of Sumi ink. Sorry if you don't know what that is, but I'm obsessed with Sumi ink. It kind of feels a little bit like that, if you know what that is. Zoom in super close though, and there is so much to work with here. I love it. I can't wait to use this in an upcoming project. Now, jumping over to the lettering set, probably because I've been making a few lyric art videos these days, there's 2 brushes that really stood out to me. The first one is called Nightingale. It's got clean double lines that kind of look like handwriting, but also printed. I love it. It's just perfect for certain projects. And then there's Ruby Rose, because my lazy artist dream is to not have to do very much. This one is two-toned. I don't have to go back and outline anything myself. The edges are clean. The color separation is perfect. There's only one quirk, and that's when you're using it, it kind of layers on top of itself instead of blending, which most brushes do. They blend in with itself. So just keep your pen down when you're writing, and that kind of solves that issue. But honestly, this brush is amazing. I really like it. The 4th brush is from the design set, and it's called Ringtail. Now, full disclosure, I haven't been able to fully use this one, but it really caught my eye because it gives off these 3D vibes. The edges blur just enough to create very interesting depth, and I can already see a ton of potential here. You know when a brush just feels like, oh, this is going to be perfect when I make this project. Yeah, that's the feeling I have for this one. So I won't be using it every day, but definitely it will be useful for the right project. And finally, there's from the creative set, Rain Check. This is the last brush in the whole library, and it's probably my favorite of all. It's very unpredictable, and sorry if you can hear that dog barking in the background. Unpredictable. So anyways, there's a lot of contrast and randomness in every single stroke. This one, I used it for drawing the thumbnail of this video. So you can take a look at that. I loved how it turned out, and I definitely will be using more of it. So there you have it. Those are all 5 new brushes that I'm excited about. Which ones are you excited about? Which ones caught your eye? Also, as you can see, and as I said, every single new brush has been swatched. If you would like more brushes zoomed in, maybe even a reference guide of all of these new brushes, let me know in the comments. If enough people want it, I'll make it. Okay, love you. Bye!